There is nothing better than a biscotti from Trader Joe's, paired with fresh coffee. Oh my god. Speaking of let me tell you about the crazy week that we are about to endure together, because I've chosen that I'm gonna vlog it because I haven't shared anything on the vlog in a hot minute, and I feel like it's time. So this week, not only do we have just an insane week of teaching. I'm teaching every day this week. We're prepping for finals. I'm prepping for my brother's wedding. I still have to literally... I'm also in a Trader Joe's parking lot. Literally just got a Trader Joe's. So not only do we have all of that, so teaching, I have to finish my dress for my brother's wedding, which is literally still in the first pattern form on my kitchen table right now, right this second. Oh, there's also a conference I'm going to this weekend this week on Wednesday, so I have to make my outfit for that. And then just a lot's going on. So there's a lot happening this week. I thought I'd bring you guys along just to kind of see what it's like. Life of an entrepreneur, life of a college TA. Now I'm gonna go to Pressed and pick up my juices. I got they have this new berries protein shake post-workout thing. I don't know. We're gonna see if it's good. It has cherry in it. I like cherry, so yeah, that's what we're up to today. Okay, I'm trying the ginger milk tea from Share Tea for the first time. It was really good. I need a little pick-me-up because I'm going to be sewing for another 3 hours. So I had to get a zipper from Joann's for the pants, and then about to finish up the pants tonight. And that's the goal, is to finish the entire pants. So I've got 3 hours to sew. I'll finish the pants. Ginger milk tea, is it good? To drink again. Okay, so we didn't finish them, but we got pretty close. Those pleats right there, put some fusible on the back and then redo them because I'm really nervous that they're going to rip. Tired. It's 10 o'clock. I got pretty far. Almost done. These are the pants so far. They have really nice pockets. Nice little... So, as if the week couldn't get any crazier and it's only Tuesday, we discovered last night the car is leaking oil. I'm just gonna eat my biscotti and drink my coffee. I'm gonna go do some stretches. And then we're gonna get to sewing. I got an hour to sew before I have to do emails. So I can get the fly print done. Okay, pants. I'm just gonna try them on over my leggings here. These are the pants. They've got the pockets. And then I'm going to hem them now. Cause aside from my soul, cause aside now there goes aside from my soul, there goes aside from my soul. It is time for Flint Conference. This is a conference that happens every year, and I have gone since 2019.
think that's when the first year was. I don't remember. And yeah, this year that's gonna go on Bell. So we're going up to the top of the Wells Fargo building. Let's go. Are we?
Come on. I actually want to do a video, and I want you guys to selfie. Right? We are selfieing at Flint Conference.
Flint is done. Great year. I had to skip halfway through because I had to go teach class, but other than that, great day. I didn't get to use the fancy tripod I brought with me today. Great day. I think I'm gonna go either pick up a coffee or head straight home and get some dinner because I am starving. But yeah, great day for the conference. Another good Sun to Go on Bell event. I acquired walkie-talkies for the fashion show. Another quick snack before the middle of the day.
I got 3 hours of sleep. We're both so tired.
You've heard of Pimp My Ride, but have you heard of Supersize My Ride? Supersize My Ride. This is my car for the day because I am a DJ today. Top of an event planner.
Okay, here we go.
So I hope you enjoyed a little clip of the show. I am now walking with all my stuff. Got to pack up the class and then head back to the library where the show just was. But yeah, I'm excited. It's over. I'm so happy it's over. They did amazing. I only cried once. It's a great day. So week's almost over. I feel that sleep in on Saturday. The time is nearly 10:30. We're done. Done. So excited to be done. I got bagels. I would like it to be known. Oh shoot. I would like to be known that I grew these. I grew potatoes in my backyard, and I'm gonna eat them today. Whoop. Make it stop wiggling. Thanks so much for watching today's video and vlog. This week was absolutely insane, and I am very glad that it is over. I can finally sit, I can finally focus on the wedding weekend that is about to happen literally next weekend. So thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed it, and I hope you stick around to
see what it's like to live like a entrepreneur and designer here in Denton, Texas. So be sure to hit that follow button. Be sure to subscribe so that way you can get notified whenever I post tutorials and vlogs like these. So thanks so much for watching. Happy sewing.
I think a fall angel just walked by. I think a fall angel just walked by.